478 West Hazel in Roseburg, Oregon, Westside home, new listing I just took. 1,670 square feet. Straight ahead, you walk in. There's a nice big family room, living room here with a cozy wood stove. Could use a little updating. That's a dining room and the kitchen. A lot of people like doing that kind of stuff. Built-ins and nice solid home. Spacious rooms here. Has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here's the guest bath here and bedroom 1, bedroom 2. We are having an estate sale. This is the master suite here. I'll have updated photos and video once the estate sale happens. That's what the personal belongings are. Out back we have a nice deck here, shaded by the trees. It's actually mature landscaping here. It's pretty nice. Walk off the deck. There's a little patio, tool shed, spin around. Another view of the deck and the patio. Want to take a look at this home? You can reach me at 541-643-1131.